Gentlemen, if you're a man over 50 and you've started noticing your intimate performance isn't quite what it once was, experiencing a frustrating decline in firmness or responsiveness, I have something truly groundbreaking to share. What if a powerful way to support healthy circulation to your lower region wasn't found in a prescription, but in a simple daily self-care technique? There's a particular spot on your body just about the size of a coin that, when gently massaged for just 60 seconds a day, many men report feeling significantly more responsive, seeing rapid improvements in firmness, and experiencing a restored sense of confidence. Stick with me because I'm going to reveal where this unique spot is and exactly how to engage it for potentially transformative results. Hi, I'm Dr. Freya Parkar, a urologist specializing in men's health and functional medicine. For over 2 decades, I've guided men to optimize their vitality and intimate well-being through practical, evidence-informed methods. And if you find this information valuable, consider giving this video a like and subscribing to my channel, Vitality Health 101, for more insights. At minute 3:15, I'll uncover the true underlying reason behind many men's performance challenges, and it's likely not what you think. Let's tackle a prevalent misconception head-on: the idea that a decline in intimate responsiveness is simply an unavoidable part of aging. While time does march on, it is rarely the sole cause for most men. The real culprits are often more tangible: chronic pelvic floor tension, restricted microcirculation, and compressed nerve pathways in your lower region. Think about it. Long hours of sitting, daily stress, even subconscious tension can cause the muscles of your pelvic floor, essential for blood flow and nerve signaling, to tighten up. Have you ever felt tightness or discomfort in your lower abdomen or groin after sitting for extended periods? That very sensation hints at the restrictions impacting your response. This tension can literally act like a kink in a hose, limiting blood flow and proper nerve communication crucial for a firm, natural response. The good news: if it's a physical restriction, it's often something we can proactively address. Let me share the experience of one of my patients. Let's call him Michael. Michael, in his mid-60s, was a successful man, but the decline in his intimate life was taking a heavy toll on his confidence and his marriage. Pills provided a temporary fix but didn't address the underlying issue, and he felt like he was losing a part of himself. I introduced him to this targeted perineal massage. Michael was pragmatic. He just wanted solutions. He committed to 60 seconds every morning and evening. Within 3 weeks, he noticed his morning responses were stronger, more frequent. The firmness he could achieve during intimacy felt more natural, more robust. By the second month, his wife commented on his renewed energy and intimate confidence. Michael's journey underscores that addressing subtle physical restrictions can lead to profound natural restoration of function and renewed confidence. So, how do we begin to release these restrictions and encourage better function? We target a powerful yet often overlooked area. But before I show you the exact spot, let's explore why this area is so pivotal for your intimate health. Coming up in just a moment, I'll explain the scientific basis behind this PowerPoint. This brings us to what I call your PowerPoint for male responsiveness, the perineum. This is the area of skin and muscle located between the back of your scrotum and the base of your anus. While it might seem like an unexpected area, research and ancient practices alike highlight its importance. Why is it so effective? Firstly, it's a gateway to crucial blood flow. Beneath the surface of the perineum are key arterial pathways that supply the penile chambers. Gentle stimulation here can encourage vasodilation, helping to increase blood flow to the area. Secondly, it's a nerve junction. Important nerves responsible for intimate function pass through and around this region. Releasing tension here can help optimize nerve signaling, supporting a more robust response. Thirdly, it promotes pelvic floor relaxation. By addressing this central point, you can help ease general tension in the entire pelvic floor, which, as we discussed, often constricts function. Now let's get into the precise 60-second daily technique. This is how you engage your PowerPoint effectively. Step 1. Prepare comfortably. Begin by finding a private, comfortable space. You might sit on the edge of a chair or recline with bent knees. For smoother contact, apply a small amount of a natural, unscented oil like almond oil or even a gentle body lotion to your finger and the target area. Step 2. Locate the spot. Use your index finger or thumb. Gently feel for the soft area about 2 fingers width behind the base of your scrotum just before the anus. You'll feel a slightly firmer area in the center. This is your specific power point. Step 3. The 60-second massage. Apply gentle but firm pressure directly to this point. It should feel like a deep, comfortable pressure, not painful. Begin with small, steady, circular motions, either clockwise or counterclockwise for about 30 seconds. Then try a few slow, linear presses, pushing gently in and then slightly upward towards your abdomen, holding for a few seconds, then releasing for the remaining 30 seconds. While doing this, take slow, deep breaths. Excellent. You're actively encouraging blood flow and releasing tension right where it matters. Consistency is key here, gentlemen. Aim for 1 minute once or twice daily. You're probably wondering, how quickly will I see results? And how do I know I'm doing it correctly? Before I dive into a powerful patient story that illustrates this, let me give you a general timeline and a simple way to tell if you're hitting the mark. Early studies and anecdotal reports suggest many men feel some increased responsiveness or sensation within days to 2 weeks of consistent practice. Full sustained benefits typically emerge over 4 to 6 weeks. You'll know you're doing it correctly if you feel a deep, satisfying pressure, a gentle release of tension in the area. Over time, you'll notice improvement in the natural firmness and responsiveness of your lower region. You might even experience more spontaneous morning responses. Gentlemen, this isn't simply about supporting a firmer response. It's about a holistic reclaiming of your vitality, your masculine presence, and the deep, meaningful intimacy in your relationships. When your lower region circulation and nerve function are optimized, many men experience enhanced firmness and reliability in intimate moments, increased sensation and heightened pleasure, improved stamina and a feeling of greater control, a surge in overall energy and a stronger connection with your partner, profoundly restored confidence both in the bedroom and daily life. You are not destined for an inevitable decline. Your body possesses incredible innate capabilities for healing and restoration. This simple, free, and surprisingly effective technique is a powerful tool in your self-care arsenal. Now, are you ready to stop accepting a dwindling intimate life as your fate and proactively support your body's natural ability to restore potency? Are you ready to confidently reclaim your intimate health and experience robust, reliable responses once more? Then comment "Restore" below right now. I'll personally reply with my free comprehensive guide detailing advanced variations of this perineal massage, specific breathing exercises to further relax your pelvic floor, a simple 30-day challenge tracker to help you stay consistent and monitor results. This is valuable, actionable information for a genuine transformation. And please subscribe to Dr. Freya Parkar Men's Health and make sure you hit that notification bell for a complete roadmap to mastering your intimate health, boosting confidence, and achieving unparalleled vitality at any age. Remember, gentlemen, your power is often closer than you think. Engage the spot. Activate your natural potency.